Welcome. Today we will master the write an email task. You have exactly 7 minutes to read the scenario and compose a professional response that addresses every requirement. Let's practice how to stay organized and polite under a tight deadline. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to follow myTOEFL for more expert strategies. Let's keep working together to reach your target score. You will read some information and use the information to write an email. You will have 7 minutes to write the email. You recently joined the Community Softball League and received your team uniform. The scenario begins by placing you in a community softball league where you have just received your team uniform. This establishes the context of a recreational yet organized community activity. However, the jersey you were sent is a size small, even though you explicitly requested a size large on the registration form. The conflict arises because you explicitly requested a size large, but the delivery was incorrect. This detail is crucial because it justifies why you are sent as a size small and need to ask for a correction. Write an email to Mr. Wallace. In your email, do the following. You are writing to Mr. Wallace, so it is essential to maintain a professional and respectful tone throughout your email. Thank Mr. Wallace for organizing the upcoming community softball season. This first requirement asks you to thank Mr. Wallace for his efforts. Starting with gratitude helps establish a polite relationship before you bring up the problem. Explain that the team jersey you received is the incorrect size. Here, you must clearly explain that the item is the incorrect size. Being direct about the error ensures the recipient understands the purpose of your message immediately. Inquire about the procedure for exchanging the jersey before Saturday. The final task is to inquire about the procedure for a swap. You must also mention the time constraint before Saturday to show that this needs to be resolved quickly. Write as much as you can and in complete sentences. Your response. Wallaceicitysports.org. This field shows the professional email address of the league coordinator who will handle your request. Team jersey size error. A good subject line should be concise and clearly state the topic, such as the specific error regarding the jersey size. Now let's look at a high-scoring example email. Pay attention to how the writer addresses all the bullet points and uses formal vocabulary. We start with the formal salutation, "Dear," to show respect. Then, we add the recipient's title and name, Mr. Wallace, as specified in the task. Finally, we end with a comma to correctly punctuate the greeting. We begin with, "I am writing," to establish the action of the email. Next, we add to "thank you for" to fulfill the first bullet point. Then we specify organizing the upcoming as the specific effort and conclude with community softball season to define the event. First, we identify the group by typing "my teammates" and "I." Then, we use "are very much looking forward to" express enthusiasm. We finish by specifying the event, the opening game, and the time frame, this weekend. We start with the transition, however, to signal a change in tone. Then we add "I am contacting you because" to introduce the problem. Next, we mention "I noticed a mistake" to be polite but clear, and finish with the uniform I received earlier today" to provide context. We begin with "although I requested" to show the original intent. Next, we specify a size large and where it was noted on my registration form. Then we identify the subject, the jersey that arrived, and conclude with the error is actually a size small. We start with the reason, since our first match, and its timing is scheduled for Saturday. Next, we state the necessity. It is important that, then the goal, I obtain a properly fitting uniform, and finish with the urgency as soon as possible. We open with a polite request, "Could you please," followed by the action verb, "clarify the procedure." Then we specify the purpose for exchanging this jersey and end with the target for the correct size. We start by stating availability, "I am available," and the location, to visit the sports office. Then we add the time, "tomorrow afternoon," and finish with the reason for the visit if that would expedite the process. We begin with "thank you" to maintain a polite closing tone. Then we add "for your assistance" to acknowledge the recipient's help, ending with a period for a complete sentence. We use the professional closing word "sincerely" to end the email formally. We then add a comma to separate the closing from our name. Finally, we provide a placeholder by typing to indicate where the sender's actual name should be placed. To score high on the write an email task, always ensure you address every single bullet point clearly. Maintaining a consistent, polite, and professional tone is essential for success. Remember to check your grammar and punctuation before the 7-minute timer runs out.